So I'm laying on a beach in a tropical land far, far away. There's birds and water. Dudes with mangoes with umbrellas. Mango, 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 mango. They fucking walk around saying that shit. It's crazy. Mango, mango. Anyways. It's October the 8th or 9th or something. I don't know. It's like 2 o'clock or something. I don't really keep track of time right now. I don't really give a fuck. Because it's 20, I think it's 28 degrees right now where I am. I don't know what that is. Fahrenheit or whatever. It's hot, man. Really hot. I'm gonna go jump in the water. It's too fucking hot. Oh yeah, did I say it's October? Anyways. Fuck, I love the sound of the ocean.